Learn how to make this content slide to make your presentation eye-catching from the start. Start by inserting a circle shape and resizing it to 2.8 centimeters for both width and height. Then, add an arc shape. Resize the arc to 3.5 centimeters for both values. Now select both shapes. Go to Arrange in your upper right toolbar and align them in the center and in the middle. Remove the outline from the circle shape. Next, add text into the circle. Adjust the size, style, and color of the text to your liking. Then go into Shape Format and add a shadow to your text. Now group both shapes and move them to the left side of the slide. Duplicate them 3 times and position the shapes in a vertical line. Choose the colors of the shapes to your liking or based on brand colors. The circle and the arcs can also be filled in with different colors. The grouping of the shapes does not affect this. Once you have completed the color design, move on to the arcs. The arcs can be adjusted by moving the yellow dots which appear when clicking on the shape. Feel free to play around with the arcs and find an interpretation of the proposed design that suits you. The positioning of the shapes might need to be slightly adjusted for seamless transitions of the arcs. Next, click on the arc shapes and go into Outline and Weight. There you can adjust the thickness to you liking. Depending on the style you would like to have, you can also choose different degrees of thickness for different arcs. Depending on the colors chosen for the circles, some text colors might need to be adjusted to ensure good contrast and readability. Select all shapes and add a shadow to increase the depth of the final slide. While still having all shapes selected, go to Arrange and Group All. If you have more than 4 agenda points, duplicate the grouping of shapes. Position it on the right side of the slide. Now adjust the numbering in the circles to a chronological order. Go to Insert and add a text box next to your first circle shape. Adjust the writing style, size, and color to your liking. You can also give the shape or the outline a color if you would like. Duplicate the text box and place one next to each circle. Let's move on to the header. Copy one of the circle graphic and paste it at the top of the slide. Take out the number and copy-paste 4 more times. Now select all shapes at the top of the slide. In Arrange, select the options Align Middle and Distribute horizontally. While still having all shapes selected, go to Shape Format and Merge Shapes. In the appearing drop-down, select Union. Now give the shape the color filling and outline color you like. The thickness of the outline can also be adjusted. For more depth, add a shadow. Adjust the final positioning of the shape. Add in a text box and write content in all caps. Adjust the writing size, color, and style to your liking. Now move the text box into your previously created shape. There you have it. Your content slide is ready. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.